Hey everybody, Forrest here. Open a box of 2022 Bowman Draft Sapphire for Jacob L. Good luck, Jacob. No illegal. We actually have people that will legitimately request that. So,
The collection.
I mean, if you buy it personally, you want the box and wrapper, just let us know. Trey Lipscomb, Ricardo Cabrera, Samuel Zavala, and a first Cooper Zerp. Alex Freeland, Reckley, Confidant, Zach Nito first. All these questions. Sounds like you guys want me to say these names like Sam would. James Triantos, Austin Hendrick, Jose Salas, and Jackson Jobe. Tristan Vreeling first. Drew Baker, Ben Joyce, and Connor Prelip.
That's all I gotta say.
Bryson Motts. That's all it takes. That's awesome. Khalil Watson. First, Trace Gonzalez. Warming Bernabel. Ooh, man, we've passed a few as well.
Confidant right there.
We've passed Confidant. We've passed Joyce.
Joyce.
Yep. I've passed a few. I'm pretty merciful right now. Jacob Marcy, Troy Melton, Eddie's Leonard, and Logan Tanner. I will not be in Vegas, but we'll have a few people there for sure. All right, here comes our numbered parallels. Good luck, Jacob. Jimmy Crooks III. It's probably Alexi Hernandez. And then a yellow Brady House. Nice. Not a first, but still 61 of 99 Brady House Sapphire. That's a good first one. Let's see a big first on the next one. And there's Brooks Lee as well. All right, Michael Hernandez and a green. It's first Bowman. Is a Hayden Dunhurst. That's pretty nice too. 1 of 50. Hayden Dunhurst, green sapphire, 1 of 50. Good stuff. 2 bats on the colors there. Cole Young and Wilmon Diaz. Solid box, Jacob. Thank you again. Appreciate you. We'll get it out to you.